Hi guys, welcome to another Motoring Mondays. As always, I'm David Light from City Times. Now, what's the future of motoring in the UAE? We've got beautiful roads, we've got lovely weather. The trouble is the traffic. Well, hopefully this E200 with Distronic Plus can help with that. Take a look inside. So what is Distronic Plus and how does it push the envelope for this Mercedes? Essentially, it's a sophisticated radar system paired with stereoscopic cameras. People were surprised it was available on the E200, but here it is. The car senses if a collision is imminent, whether you're in traffic or veering off the road, and deploys braking power to do all it can to avoid such an occurrence. In the case of approaching the edge of the road, the steering wheel even kicks in and pushes you back on course. It's unnerving at first, but it's time to embrace it. This is what's coming: autonomous driving. Performance-wise, it's not blisteringly quick, but then in this segment you don't really need to be. 0 to 100 km an hour takes 7.7 seconds, and it has a top speed of 240 km per hour, more than adequate. So what do we think? What does this car represent? I think it's a big leap forward. I think in traffic jams at least, the fact it tethers onto the car in front of you, can stop and start itself pretty much without your help. It's the future. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks so much for watching as always. Follow us on all the social media channels, and until the next Motoring Mondays, drive safe.